be very easy to study and write the family words. Not only family words, we can read as many words as possible. And in the last class, I told you that I will start with the new chapter. So today, I will start with a new chapter. Before that, I have to explain you the first chapter's content. So it's related to our family. We all live in a family. We all are happy at home. You love your family. So that's what we are going to do today. So now, how many members are there in your family? Are you living in a small family or big family? Do you have grandparents with you? Or aunts and uncles? Or brothers and sisters? Or you are a single child? So depending on that, there is a small family and there is a big family. You eat together, you sleep together, you play and you go out together, you pray, you have fun together. So family is a happy home. There is a small family and there is a big family. So small family is called as nuclear family and big family is called as joint family. So we will see some picture so that we will learn in detail. This is the first picture. Just see the picture. How many members are there in the family? This is Chauhan family. There are 3 members in the family. Identify each member in the family. This is Mr. Jayachandran Chauhan, Mrs. Jayashree Chauhan and daughter Shruti in Chauhan family. So there are 3 members in the family and it's a small family and small family is a happy family. So we will go to the next picture. By seeing this picture we can understand it's a big family and big family is called as joint family. So there are grandparents, parents, aunts, uncles and many cousins are there, brothers and sisters and including all the children in the family. So it's a big family and it's a joint family and joint family we can have fun together. We can go to the next picture. Oh, this is my family. So I will tell you about my family. So identify each member in my family and how many members are there in my family. So this is my father, mother, husband, my son and me. So there are 5 members in my family. So it's a small family and it's a happy family. I told you that you have to buy a 4-line note for English. And I know that you all have 4-line notebook at home. So you have to take that notebook and write in the first page the topic that is my family. And you have to paste the picture in the first page in the notebook, English note, your family photo. You have to paste your family photo in the first page of your English note. Then if any stranger or if any family member or if any neighbor comes to your house and asks you some simple questions, you can give answer by looking at this photo. So example, if they will ask you, how many members are there in your family? By looking at your family photo, you can answer that there are 4 members or there are 3 members or there are 5 members in the family. You can answer and identify each member in the family. So easily you can identify that this is my father, mother, brother, sister, my grandparents and you can identify the person by looking at the family photo. So these are the simple questions orally we can answer. And the next question will be, what does your mother do when she is at home? And if you will ask me this question, the same question to me, so I will answer you that my mother cooks food at home. She is a housewife. She cleans and keeps the house clean and tidy. And she takes care of everything what I want. So, what does you do with your father when you are at home? I will always speak with my father. I will watch movies with my father. I will enjoy with my father. I will help him in his work. While he is cleaning his scooter, I will go and help him. So this way I can help my father. If you are having grandparents at home, how do you take care of your grandparents, or how does your grandparents take care of you? So I will take care of my grandparents by looking after them and respecting them. So this is the way that I can take care of my grandparents. And how does my grandparents take care of me? By telling me some beautiful stories or motivating me in many things. So we can learn many things by our grandparents. They are having patience, how they are taking the family together. So these are the things we can learn from our grandparents, because they are the experienced person in our family. Do you have siblings at home? Yes, I have one brother. I always share things with him. I share food with him. I will share my toys with him. I will not fight with him. So this is the way I can take care of my brother or sister. Do you have pets at home? Yes, I have pet dog. And what is the name of your pet? My pet dog's name is Jimmy. How do you take care of your pet? I will take bath of my pet. I will give food and I will keep him always clean. So I will take care of my pet like this. So these are the simple questions asked by many people. You can give the answer very easily. Before starting the chapter, I explained you about the content. I want to show you what is the book you are having in first standard. So this is Little Thinker English, which we are having in first standard. You have studied in UKG also. You might be having in UKG this book, same book, that is Little Thinker English. This is the story book we are having, that is Divya and her family. You were having story books in UKG also. So this is Divya and her family. So what do you see in this picture? In the first page itself, in the cover page. Oh, this girl might be Divya. And this might be her mother, father and her brother. She is having one pet dog. Some person is taking the photo. Can you identify the place where it is? I will give you one clue. I think so it's the capital of India. Yes, it's Delhi. So they went out to visit Delhi. So I think so this is a photographer. He is taking the photo of the family. Why we are taking photo when we are going out? To keep it as a memory. Because we can show that photo to many person and we can tell them that this is the place we have been. This is Taj Mahal. And you can explain. Right? So photos will be with us for a memory for lifelong. At home, today, take your English note and you have in the first page, you have to paste your family photo. I will give some simple questions. There are 4 questions. You can answer the questions very easily. You don't have to study the questions. You just understand the questions, and by looking at your family photo, you can give answers orally. That you have to do by today or this week before my next class. I told you that I will show you a video related to how will you help your parents. Just see the video. After that I will explain you. father by doing some simple task. You can also help your mother by doing some simple task at home. For example, you can fold your own clothes, your small clothes, and you can keep in the cupboard. If you want to drink water, you can go to the kitchen and have it by your own. Don't keep your wet towel here and there. You can keep it where it is kept. You can help your mother for peeling the garlic. So these are the simple ways you can help your mother at home. So this much today. I will start with the new chapter. Before that, you will get the books. Before my next video, you will be having your books with you. So till then, bye.